Sometimes it's right in front of us, but it's hiding. But yet it's right in front of us. The question I got asked today is, Teddy, how do I change my display name that people see when I'm in Zoom? So if I'm in a Zoom call, let's start a Zoom call without video. And so I'm in Zoom. Here's my display name right here. Right there it is. Now I can change it from in here. If I go to participants, bring the participant window over, I can hit more. I can rename it and change it to whatever I want. And it'll change in here. But how do I change it on the system so that when I'm in a Zoom call, it automatically comes up the way I want it to come up? Let me show you how to do that. I'm in Zoom. I'm in zoom.us. I'm logged into my account. And the way I know is I can see my name and I can see that little icon that I use to tell people I'll be right with them. But look, why is my name here and right here? Because this is my display name. So if I hit edit right here, there's my first name, my last name, there's my display name. So I can change that to whatever I want it to be. I recommend you use your first and last name because this is about networking. This is about humans talking. So don't hide behind a nickname or something. Use your name, your business name right there. And then once you change it, hit save. And now when you close Zoom and open it back up and you start your next Zoom session, the name will be whatever you put in the display name. I hope this is helpful.